Tingnan ninyo ang shooting guard ng Barangay Opao, Blake Naparate. Todo kasa sa championship game kontra Barangay Tipolo sa First Mandaue Unity Cup 2026 Junior Division dito mismo sa Mandaue Sports Complex. Bawat galaw, bawat tira, todo puso para makatulong sa kanilang koponan. Grabe ang bakbakan hanggang sa dulo. Tara panoorin natin ang solidong highlights ni Blake Naparate.
Shot pass. Pass na Naparate in the corner. Naparate with his move. Puts it up. Dallas, the president of our city council. Attorney Joel Sino and Councilor Del Masiga. Rivera, over Doggy. Back up for the ball, nakuha number 1. Suratan, traffic sa ilalim, malungkot. Still not good for Barangay Tipolo. Itrapas, with a nice crossover. King out pass to Number 16 is Juliana. Sige na Naparate. Naparate. Sanchez for 2 points. Sanchez was the answer. No good. Rebound by Matalan. A tie-ball game, 41 all. Tipolo on the attack. Surata at Talero for a free ball. Wala, battle for the ball. Nakuha sa Barangay Opao. Lucas! Sanchez. Shot clock 15. Naparate. Shot clock 15. Sanchez, nakita si Naparate.